Storage gateway. Why do we need these? So content, introduction, key features, types, and use cases. So from now, I think we have three types, and we're gonna talk about them. So let's give a brief introduction. So if you need a hybrid cloud storage service, so what do we mean by hybrid? It's on-premise plus cloud. So hybrid equals on-prem plus cloud. This is hybrid. So if we need a solution that serves both on-premise and on cloud, we can use AWS Storage Gateway, and it can give us access to unlimited cloud storage, and it seamlessly integrates with on-premise environment, and it can allow businesses to leverage scalability and cost benefits of cloud storage while maintaining a local access to their data. So let's look at the key features. So first thing we've talked about is it is a hybrid cloud service. So you can connect it to on-premise and to AWS storage services like S3 Glacier and S3 Standard EBS, and it provides seamless integration between storage, local storage, and AWS Cloud. So we have multiple gateway types, and we said that there are three: file, tape, and volume, and we're going to talk about them. Data security, so it can help encrypt data using keys. So you can use SSL and KMS. And it can also has access control integration with IAM. Data management, we also talked about caching, so it can give you the ability to cache. Data compression is basically just putting data and putting it in a zip file, so it can reduce the amount of data. And automatic data tiering, as we said in our S3 session about the intelligent tiering. So yeah, it just shifts between tiers to cost optimize our needs. So also we have scalability and readability. So here you can see S3's durability is 11 nines, which is you can lose one item per 10,000 years. It's all highly available, and you have unlimited scalable storage. And you can integrate it with EBS, backup, and S3 and S3 Glacier. So gateway types, we have file gateway, tape gateway, and volume gateway. And we're going to talk a little bit about them. So use cases, file gateway is based for file-based workloads, which is basic from its name. And it has access protocol, so it supports NFS, which is Network File Transfer Protocol, and SMB, which is for Windows. Tape gateway is designed for backup and archiving, enabling existing tape-based workloads. So literally, if you look at its icon, you can see a tape. And you can have what's called a virtual tape. And volume gateway, it's suitable for block storage. So file storage is for file storage, volume storage is for block storage, and tape gateway is for archiving and backups. So also you can store files as objects in S3, and you can cache it. So we said we have the ability to cache data. And here you can store virtual tapes in S3, and you can also use Glacier for long-term storage and cost optimization. Sorry, let me put that back. And backups or volume snapshot backups, we talked about the EBS session, so you can restore to Amazon EBS volumes, and you can have what's called snapshots. So use cases. First use case, we said data cloud storage, so hybrid cloud storage, sorry. And the second use case is data migration. So if you want to shift your data from local or on-prem to cloud, you can use Storage Gateway. You can also use it for disaster recovery, file sharing and collaboration, backup and archiving. So I think disaster recovery and archiving are kind of similar. So best practices, we can optimize cache size, data security, cost management, and regular updates. So we can have the cache size as we want. We can monitor performance using, like always, using metrics and CloudWatch. Data security, we said we can encrypt it using SSL or KMS. Cost management, with the ability of intelligent tiering and shifting between tiers, we can have cost optimization, and regular backups with AWS volume, AWS volume type. So, as I said, today is gonna be like a very quick session. So, just to recap our AWS storage gateway. So, if we have on-prem, so this is on OP, so on-prem, and we can connect it to cloud, so AWS. We also have so storage gateway. We also have the ability, we're gonna talk about it tomorrow, which is direct connect. So this is like a virtual connection, something virtual. It's not just it's virtual. So you use storage gateway, and tomorrow we're gonna talk about direct connect, which is like something that's physical. You're gonna have fiber optic cables that are connected to your that are connected from your premise to the closest AWS data center. So yeah, as I said, today is gonna be a very quick session, and it is a very quick session. So that's it. Let me stop the recording. I got like a few questions